That night, the most powerful man in the Muslim world walked alone in the dark. No guards. From a distance, he heard it. The sound of children crying. He approached the tent, and what he saw broke his heart. A pot filled with water and stones. She said, "Allah will judge Umar. He is responsible for us." She did not know. The man standing in front of her was Umar. He rushed to the treasury, filled a sack with flour and food, and carried it on his own back. His servant said, "Let me carry it for you." He replied, "Will you carry my sins on the day of judgment?" He cooked the food himself, blew into the fire, waited until the children laughed again. That night, the most powerful man in the Muslim world was not in a palace. He was in a poor tent, making sure no child slept hungry. That was leadership. That was Islam.